Guy Fieri loses $1 million in product due to cargo theft. Let's watch this video.
Well, when the president of your company calls you and says, we have a problem, what's happening? He goes, you're not going to believe this, but we lost 2 truckloads of Santo tequila.
Lost.
I said, elaborate on lost. He says, well, they disappeared.
They were stolen due to cargo theft. Look, cargo theft's been happening for so long, but now it's starting to get into the public eye because it's hitting public figures.
I said, well, wait. Is this a hijacking? I said, are the drivers okay? I said, is this because all my mind goes to is Goodfellas and, that's what I'm thinking is happening. He said, no. The trucks, they were appropriated, but we don't know where they are. I'm like, it's not a needle in a haystack. I mean, this is a semi-tractor truck. My mind is swimming in exactly how do you lose, that many thousands of bottles of tequila.
24,000 bottles of tequila.
24,000 bottles of tequila were taken away from Guy Fieri due to cargo theft. The thing about cargo theft, it's been happening for years. Apple got hit. Shaq got hit. A lot of these people were getting hit, but now it's starting to finally come to the public eyes because now it's hitting celebrities like Guy Fieri, Shaq. These are now like people that everybody know and love. Cargo theft has been going around, but the thing is, though, we have things like Carrier 411. We have things like a highway. We have all these things that said they're stopping cargo theft, and they're doing absolutely nothing. We still have these high-value items getting stolen, cars, cargo. What are these programs doing? What are these programs doing to where these items are still getting stolen? So all they're doing is punishing the people that really want to do trucking the right way. But they're not doing absolutely anything to stop high-value things from getting taken. Like I said, Apple got hit for like $20 million. These things happen all the time, but hate to say that it happened to him, but I'm glad it did because now it's coming to the public light to know and show that we have a problem in trucking. Cargo theft is huge, huge. So the thing we have to understand is this. So we have Carrier 411, we have highway. We have all these things that claim to help the trucking industry. We have all these parameters. Oh, take a picture in front of the truck so you can tell us that it's you driving the truck. All these things they making these American drivers do, but it does absolutely anything. Nothing at all. So this is what I want to say. We need to revamp this system of cargo theft and just start working with owner-operators and trucking companies directly. That's what I think.